Hi, welcome my dear students. Today's class is on Transformations-5. We are going to discuss somewhat in-depth problems. Okay, on part of this first problem, we have if a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2, prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Right, my dear students, we are going to do this particular problem. You see how we are going to do the solution part of this, right? As usual, let us take the left hand side part here. That is nothing but cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c, like this. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. If you take like this, right, first you take this one, cos c plus cos d, that is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2 means 2a plus 2b by 2, you know that. 2a plus 2b by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2, that is nothing but 2a minus 2b by 2 plus cos 2c, right? Fine. And this of course 2 cos a plus b, like, because if you take common, 2 if you take common you will be getting that, right? And this is nothing but cos of a minus b plus cos 2c, like this, right, my dear students? Now this is equal to, actually they given that a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2 here. From that a plus b is equal to 3 pi by 2 minus c. That is now 2 cos 3 pi by 2 minus c into cos of a minus b, right? Plus cos 2c, like plus cos 2c, what we are having here, of course, right? Fine. Now you see my dear students, this is equal to 2 cos 270 minus c, that is nothing but what we will be getting is minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c we are having here, of course. This cos 2c we will write it as, right, yeah, 1 minus 2 sin square c, because we will take we want that in terms of sin c, because we have got here 2 sin c minus 2 sin c, 1 minus 2 sin square c, like this. Now see my dear students, we will take minus 2 sin c common. If you take common, what you will be getting is cos a minus b minus 2 sin c we have taken common, then we will get sin c, right, plus 1 will be here, like this, right? Now you see my dear students, this is nothing but minus 2 sin c cos of a minus b plus sin c, that is nothing but sin 3 pi by 2 minus of a plus b, like this, right? Because c we can write as 3 pi by 2 minus of a plus b, okay, plus 1, like this, right? If you write like this, what we will be getting is this equal to minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b, like this, cos of a minus b sin, okay, sin 270 minus theta, that become minus sin theta minus, right, sin 270 minus theta become what, minus cos theta, because it lies in third quadrant, minus cos of a plus b you are having, like this, right, plus 1, like this. Now this is minus 2 sin c into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, that is nothing but what you will be getting, 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b plus 1, that is nothing but now 1 minus 2 sin a, 2 into 2, 4, you have here now 4, right? 1 minus, we have here my dear students, 1 minus 4 into sin a sin b sin c, like this. 1 minus, this is what the right hand side part, like this. We have taken beautifully the left hand side part and we have got the right hand side part in such a very nice way, right, my dear students? Here you have got the left hand side part and you proved right hand side part here. However, the condition is a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2, even though we have got cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c, in this beautiful way. See now my dear students, the second problem and important problem, right, it's a star mark problem. If a, b, c are angles of the triangle, then prove that sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus sine square c by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sine c by 2, right? You see, my dear students, we know that once ABC are angles of triangle, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, right? And a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2. That is nothing but 90 degrees, right? Okay, once we have got the things like this, now a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus c by 2, like this. And b plus c by 2, b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus a by 2. In the same way, we have, right, next, a plus c is equal to 90 degrees minus b by 2. These are the things we need to, okay, make use of this, right? Now let us take the left hand side part. What we are having is sine square a by 2. We know, my dear students, that sine square theta by 2 by half angle formula, that is nothing but 1 minus cos theta by 2, like this. Sine square theta by 2 is nothing but 1 minus cos theta by 2, right? If you use this, right, what you are going to get, 1 minus cos a by 2 plus 1 minus cos b by 2 minus 1 minus cos c by 2, like this, right? 1 minus cos a by 2, right? Because we have used this formula, right? Sine square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2, right, my dear students? Now you have here, you see how we are going to do this particular problem. If you take the LCM as 2, like this, then what we are going to have here, 1 minus cos A plus 1 minus cos B minus 1 plus cos C, like this. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled, like this. And what we are having here is, right, 1 minus cos, 1 minus of cos A plus cos B plus cos C whole by 2, like this. 1 minus of cos A plus cos B plus cos C, right, whole by 2. Now let us apply this as usual, right? Okay, fine. Now this is nothing but, my dear students, what we are going to get, this you please observe. This is equal to now 1 minus of, here 1 by 2 is there, we can take common totally. 1 minus of cos A plus B, cos C plus cos D, that is nothing but 2 cos A plus B by 2, 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. This is what we are going to have, plus cos C, plus cos C. This is what the step you are going to get out of that, right, my dear students? Now after getting this, right, you know that A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Let us apply that formula, like this is equal to now 1 by 2 times of 1 minus 2 cos A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees minus C by 2. 90 degrees minus C by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This is now cos A minus B by 2, right, plus cos C. This is what you have here. 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 into sin C by 2. You are going to get sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This cos A minus B by 2 and plus cos C we are having here. That because minus 2 sin C by 2 we are having here. 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2 we write. 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2 we write. Now see 1 plus 1 2 minus, right, 2 sin C by 2 if you take common in this. You are going to have here cos A minus B by 2, right, plus, because minus 2 sin C by 2 we are taking common. Then what we are going to get, okay, 1 sin C by 2 you will be having like this. Such a beautiful way. Now this is 1 by 2 into, right, we can take 2 common, of course. In this you can take, fine. Yeah, this is nothing but now what we are having is 2 minus 2 sin C by 2. 2 sin C by 2 into this is now cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. C by 2 is equal to, you can write as 90 minus A plus B by 2. This is sin 90 degrees minus A plus B by 2, like this. Right? Therefore, 1 by 2 into, this is 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. This is now cos of A minus B by 2 sin 90 minus theta. That is nothing but cos theta. That means cos A plus B by 2, like this. Right? Wonderful. Once we got this thing, now you observe, right? Now this step reduces to, right, 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2 sin C by 2. This is cos A minus B by 2 plus cos A plus B by 2, right? That you are going to get, right, that is 2 into cos A by 2 into cos B by 2. This is what you are going to get, right, my dear students? Now you see this particular step, what we are going to have, right? Now the final step, what we are having, let us try to get that. This is equal to now 1 by 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2, 4 sin C by 2, right? Cos A by 2, cos A by 2 into cos B by 2, like this. Now if you take 2 common, 2 by 2 into 1 minus 2 cos A by 2, cos B by 2 and sin C by 2. Such a beautiful way we have got. This is what the right hand side part, what we require to prove. See nicely how we have got this particular problem, my dear students. Just the manual steps we followed, the logical sequence we followed, and we got this problem, right? Okay, next we have the third problem. It's a very important problem, another different kind. If ABC are angles of triangle, then prove that sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2 is equal to 1 plus 4 times of sin pi minus A by 4 sin pi minus B by 4 into sin pi minus C by 4, right? Since my dear students, here also they given that A plus B plus C, they are angles of triangle, means A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, right? And divided by 2, that equal to divided by 2. That means, right, A plus B by 2 is equal to, you will get 90 degrees minus C by 2. And A plus C by 2, A plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus B by 2. And B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus A by 2, like this, right? You see, these are all we will get immediately once they are the angles of the triangle, right? Now let us take, my dear students, the left hand side part. What is the left hand side part we are having here? Sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2, right? Let us apply that formula, right? Sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2, sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2. You are having like this. Now if you apply sin C plus sin D, this formula is nothing but 2 sin C plus D by 2. That is nothing but A plus B by 4, 2 sin C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2, plus sin, right, C by 2 you are having like this. Let us write this the same way. 2 sin A plus B by 4 into cos A minus B by 4 plus sin C by 2. Okay, wonderful. Now, you see, my dear students, what we are going to write for this is, this sin C by 2 we are having here, this C by 2 we can write in the place of C by 2, because A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 180 by 2, that is 90. C by 2 means I can write as 90 degrees minus A plus B by 2, like this, right? And of course, this is now 2 sin A plus B by 4, A plus B by 4 into cos of A minus B by 4, cos of A minus B by 4, sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Therefore, you will be getting cos A plus B by 2, like this, right? Wonderful. Cos A plus B by 2, okay? We have got that. And that cos A plus B by 2, my dear students, by applying, now see, we have here 2 sin A plus B by 4, here right? And cos a minus b by 4, cos a minus b by 4, this cos theta, like, okay, half angle formula if we apply, right, 1 minus I can write as 2 sine square a plus b by 4, like this, 2 sine square a plus b by 4, like this, right, my dear students. Now this is equal to 2 sine a plus b by 4, 2 sine a plus b by 4, that if you take common this, right, what we are going to have, cos a minus b by 4, right, here minus sine of a plus b by 4, sine of a plus b by 4, total plus 1 we are having, cos of a minus b by 4 minus sine of a plus b by 4 plus 1, right? Wonderful. Now you see, my dear students, this we want to apply cos c minus cos d, but we are having here, right, what we are having here, we are having, my dear student, sine we are having. That's why what I do is here, right, this 1 we will write here plus 2 sine a plus b by 4, 2 sine a plus b by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4, cos of a minus b by 4 minus. Now what we did is we written this sign, right? We taken actually 1 is here, 1 plus 2 sine a plus b by 4, cos a minus b by 4. This sign we converted into cos, just cos 90 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4. Now if we do our problem, we will be getting everything, my dear students, right? You see, I am erasing this part, right, right, see here. Now what we are going to get, now see this step, what we do is, this is 1 plus what we are having here, 2 sine, right, a plus b by 4. Already you know that a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c equal to pi, 180 degrees. From this, a plus b is equal to pi minus c, right? Therefore this is now pi minus c by 4, like this, a plus b plus c, right? Now you have here, you can apply now here cos c minus cos d, my dear students. This is something like cos a minus b by 4 minus cos pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4. If you apply cos c minus cos d formula, you are going to get, I am writing directly that step, minus 2 sine, right, because cos c minus cos d, that formula is nothing but minus 2 sine. You are going to get in this pi minus b by 4, right? If you simplify that, just simplify that, into minus 2 sine pi minus b by 4 into sine of, right, a minus pi by 4, a minus pi by 4, like this. Wonderful. Now this equal to 1 plus this 2 into 2, 4, sine pi minus c by 4, sine pi minus c by 4 into sine pi minus b by 4, right? And this minus sign, if you take inside, this a minus pi by 4 become pi minus a by 4, like this. This becomes what you are going to get, a sine of pi minus a by 4, like this. Such a beautiful way you will be getting the right hand side part. You see, my dear students, how beautifully we have got this particular problem, right? That is what we require to prove. 1 plus 4 sine pi minus c by 4, sine pi minus b by 4, sine pi minus a by 4. Okay, fine. Now see, my dear students, this is another different kind of problem. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then prove that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 1 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c, right, my dear students? Here also the solution part, how we are going to do this problem, my dear student. They given that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. That means you know that a plus b is equal to minus c, and a plus c is equal to minus b, and b plus c that equal to minus a, like this you are going to have. Now let us take the left hand side part, my dear students. This is equal to actually cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c. Already I told you that cos square a, the formula is 1 plus cos 2a by 2, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Therefore this is now 1 plus cos 2a by 2, like this, right? and 1 plus cos 2b by 2, 1 plus cos 2b by 2 plus 1 plus cos 2c by 2, like this. Now if you take 1 by 2 common and 1 plus 1, that is 3, plus we have here cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c you are having like this, right? Now this equal to 1 by 2 times of 3 plus cos 2a plus cos 2b. If we apply cos c plus cos d formula, that is nothing but 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2a plus 2b by 2, that is nothing but a plus b, 2 cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2 means a minus b, 2a minus 2b by 2, that is a minus b plus cos 2c. You are having like this, right? Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into, right, 3 plus 2 cos a plus b equal to minus c, that is cos of minus c, right? Cos of minus c, that become cos c. 2 cos of minus c we are having here, that is now cos, because a plus b equal to minus c, that is what we are having here, plus cos 2c we can write it as 2 cos square c minus 1, like this, right? Now you see, my dear students, how we are going to do this particular problem. This is now 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos of 2 cos c, if I take common here, of course, because cos of minus c is here, I can write now comfortably, I can write 2 cos c, I can write like this. 2 cos c, now if we take common, what we are going to have, cos of a minus b plus 2 cos c is taken common, cos c we will be having here like this, right, my dear students? Wonderful. 2 cos c, cos of a minus b plus cos c we have here minus 1, wonderful, like this, right? Now this one is what we are going to get, this is 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 2, right? 2 plus 2 cos c into cos a minus b, cos a minus b, cos c. C is nothing but what? Minus of a plus b. Therefore, what you are going to get, plus cos of minus of a plus b. Cos of minus theta become cos theta. Therefore, this become cos of a plus b. I am having right like this. Now 1 by 2. 2 you can take common here. 2 by 2. This is equal to now 1 plus cos c into cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. That is 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b, like this. Now this is what we have got, 1 plus 2 into cos a into cos b into cos c. Such a beautiful way we have got the right hand side part, my dear students. You please observe these kind of problems, whatever we have like this we will be doing, right? Fine. Now see, we have the last problem, which is very important. It is also another different model. They given that fifth one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 2s, then prove that cos s minus a plus cos s minus b plus cos s minus c plus cos s is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. That is what you require to prove, my dear students. How you are going to prove that particular one, you please observe. See, my dear students, here let us take as usual like cos s minus a plus cos s minus b. This has one group and this has another group, left hand side. Directly I am doing here now. This is now cos c plus cos d formula, right? If you apply this cos c plus cos d formula, what you are going to get? 2 cos c plus d by 2. That is s minus a plus s minus b by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. S minus a minus s plus b by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Plus here also cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2. That is now s minus c plus s by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. S minus c minus s. That is now minus c by 2. You are having like this. Now you see, my dear student, this is now 2 cos s plus s is 2s minus of a plus b by 2, like this, right? And the cos of s minus s will cancel and you are having here like minus a plus b, like this. That you are having it as b minus a. This will cancel and b minus a by 2, like this. plus this is 2 cos s plus s, 2s minus c by 2 into cos of c by 2, like this, because cos of minus theta become cos theta, like this. You see, my dear students, here a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. From this 2s minus of a plus b, if you take 2s minus of a plus b, that, okay, if you transfer a plus b here to that, you will get that as what? 2s minus of a plus b plus c is equal to c, you are going to get. Right, my dear students, that is what now c you are having here. That is what we will write now, 2 cos of 2s minus a plus b, that is c, and the cos of b minus a by 2 you are having here, right? Wonderful. And plus here you have here 2 cos 2s minus c, right? 2s minus c. Wonderful. That we can write it as 2s minus c. 2s minus c, from this you see 2s minus c. A plus b plus c equal to 2s. 2s minus c equal to a plus b by 2, like this. 2s minus c is nothing but a plus b by 2 into cos c by 2, like this, right? Wonderful. This is the step we have got here, because 2s minus c is equal to a plus b. Wonderful. Now from this, if we take 2 cos c by 2 common, 2 cos c by 2, if I take common from this, right? Yes, 2s minus c, this is actually c by 2. 2s minus a plus b is c by 2. 2 cos c by 2, if we take common, like this, what we are going to have, right, my dear students? Here also 2 cos c by 2, 2 cos c by 2 is taken common. You have got wonderfully cos of a plus b by 2 plus cos of b minus a by 2. There if you take common, okay, minus, then it become, right, what you are going to have if you take the common minus of a minus b by 2, like this. Therefore this is nothing but now 2 cos c by 2 into cos a plus b by 2 plus cos of minus theta become cos theta, that is cos of a minus b by 2. Such a beautiful way we have got, like this, right, my dear students? Now this is equal to, you know the formula, okay, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, that is nothing but now 2 cos c by 2 into 2 times of cos a by 2 into cos b by 2, like this. Because 2 cos a plus b plus cos m, 2 cos a cos b, that is now a by 2 into b by 2, you have like this. That is nothing but now 2 into 2, 4. 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. This is the thing what you have to prove. You got such a nice way the right hand side part, right, my dear students? This way we will be doing these problems. Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.